Hi! In this video, you will learn how to import and register stone models for restoration and implant planning. If you have a digital file of the stone model in either PLY or STL format, you can import your stone models into the Restoration tab. Click on the Import Stone Models button at the top of the control panel. Browse to the stone model file and double-click the file of the arch you wish to import. Invivo will prompt you to identify which arch you're importing. Select the proper arch and click OK. If you import the opposing arch later, Invivo will remember that you want to import the opposing arch. A prompt will ask you if you wish to maintain the stone model's original orientation. If you have an intraoral scan with a closed bite, choosing Maintain Position will use the closed bite position of your intraoral scan. If you do not want to preserve the closed bite position, then click Register to CT. If you have any other type of scan, you will also click Register to CT. The rendering window will show both the stone model and the patient scan. A small prompt will list the steps you need to take to register the stone model to the patient scan. The Help button contains a document that walks you through registering different stone models. In this particular case, we can check the Clean Scan option because the patient's scan has no scatter. We start by placing the midpoint of the stone model at the tip of the junction between the central incisors. Place the same point on the patient scan. Since this patient has back molars, we can place the second and third points at the tips of the cusps on both sides of the arch like so. If you make a mistake, click the Restart button on the prompt to replace all the points. Once you're done, you may either right-click or click the Perform Registration button. The rendering screen will show you a group of 2D sections at the bottom to fine-tune your stone model registration. You will notice that the stone model appears as a blue outline in these sections. To fine-tune the stone model's position, use the widget tool that appears on the volume. You can use the yellow arrows to move the stone model up, down, and side to side. Use the red, blue, and green arrows to rotate. Once the blue outline of the stone model matches the 2D sections, click Done to either import the opposing stone model or start planning your restorations.